feels so good. I've been suffering up to death. Ah. What can I do to scare Princess Peach's Hiccups? What's that over there? Come on, you beauty. Let's get you into the Blu-ray player. Let's skip previews. Let me just mute this. We have to wait for that. Well, there's a menu, alright. Princess Peach? Yes, Cartman? I've got a surprise for you. What is it? Well, watch it and you'll see. Okay, then. It can't be. You did this to me. Well, your hiccups are gone. That's it. Ow! That hurt. I don't care. Listen, you can't forget us. But this you will go. You know what? I'm just gonna go back to sleep right now. What's up with her?